biofifs, and hello CUCNs. We are here to learn something about cell membrane, also known as plasma membrane. Before we start, let's look at this video. Cell membrane. Cell membrane is also known as plasma membrane. It's a thin, flexible barrier that surrounds every cell, separating its internal environment from external environment. It's a vital component of all living cells, playing crucial roles in maintaining cells integrity, regulating the passage of substance into and out of the cell, and facilitating communication between cells.
The particles of cell membrane, we have globular protein, glycoprotein, cholesterol, carbohydrates, alpha helix protein, glycolipid, channel protein, peripheral protein, and integral protein.
And now, let's move on to the function of each particles. Let's start with
Globular protein. These proteins are compact, spiral in shape, and soluble in water. They function in catalysis as enzyme, transport, and regulation such as hemoglobin or insulin. Their three-dimensional structures allow for dynamic interaction with other molecules.
The glycoprotein. The glycoproteins are proteins with the carbohydrate groups attached that they play. The key signaling and immune response such as in the receptors, their carbohydrate chains help and cell instruction stability.
Cholesterol. Cholesterol is a lipid molecule found in a cell membrane. It stabilizes membrane fluidity and integrity to prevent it from becoming too rigid or too permeable. Cholesterol serves as a precursor for steroid hormones and vitamin D. Carbohydrate. Carbohydrates in cells are essential for energy storage and structural functions. They are also involved in cell recognition and signaling, particularly when attached to proteins or lipids in the cell membrane. They serve a fuel in process like glycolysis.
alpha helix protein. The alpha helix is a common secondary structure of proteins, characterized by cold shapes stabilized by hydrogen bonds. It contributes to the protein overall stability and functions, often seen in structural proteins and transmembrane regions. This structure aids in elasticity and flexibility of certain proteins.
Glycolipids are lipids with carbohydrate groups attached, found in the cell membrane. They are involved in cell recognition, signaling, and maintaining membrane stability. Glycolipids play a key role in interactions with other cells, especially in immune responses.
Channel protein. Channel proteins facilitate the passive transport of ions or molecules across the cell membrane. They create hydrophilic pathways that allow specific substances to pass through, like ions and nerves signaling our water via aquaporins. Their function is essential for maintaining cellular homeostasis.
Peripheral proteins are located on the surface of the cell membrane, either on the outer or inner layer. They assist in signaling, maintaining the cell structure, and interacting with the cytoskeleton. These proteins can be easily detached from the membrane without disrupting its integrity. Integral proteins are embedded within the cell membrane, often spanning its entire width. They function in transport, signaling,
and acting as receptors or enzymes. Their positions within the membrane makes them crucial for communication between cell and its environment.